Good afternoon and welcome to my channel. My name is Mr. Mulengi. Today I'll be focusing on aerial photographs. The first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to list the types of aerial photographs that we have, and after that I'll look at each and every type. Then from there we'll move on to look at orthophoto maps. The reason being that our orthophoto map is derived from the aerial photograph and the topographical map. So I want to start with the photograph first, the aerial photographs, then from there we move on to orthophoto maps. Okay. So when it comes to aerial photographs, photographs in general is just a representation of reality. That's how I can simplify it. But I just want to start by listing the three types of aerial photographs that we have. Type of aerial photograph. Okay, type of aerial photographs. We have got what we call, number one, we have got the aerial, vertical aerial photograph. Then number two, we have got what we call the oblique aerial photograph. Then number three, we have got what we call the horizontal aerial photograph as well. Horizontal aerial photograph. So when it comes to aerial photograph, these are the basic three types of aerial photographs that we have. We've got the vertical aerial photograph, we have got the oblique aerial photograph, then we've got the horizontal aerial photograph. I'm going to start by demonstrating or by explaining the first one that we have, that is your vertical aerial photograph. So when it comes to aerial photograph, we're looking at those photographs which are taken from an aircraft, from an aeroplane, which means obviously we expect what we call a top view. That's basically what we expect when it comes to aerial photographs. So I'm going to demonstrate, assuming that this is the position where our aircraft is or where our aeroplane is. So a vertical aerial photograph is taken at this angle. You can see the 90 degrees. This is the part that is captured by the photograph. So this is our aerial photograph. It's taken from 90 degrees vertical. That is, you can see at this position. This is where our aircraft is or our aeroplane. It can be a satellite image, but it's taken from this position. And the part that is being taken is this part of this. This is what makes up our vertical aerial photograph. Okay, 90 degrees. You can see this is the position of our aeroplane, of our aircraft, which takes this part of the earthly surface and is taken from above the earthly surface. You can see it's taken from above the earthly surface at 90 degrees. From the vertical, you can see this is the part that is being taken, that is being captured when it comes to what we call the vertical aerial photograph. So it sort of gives us an aerial view. It sort of gives us an aerial view because a top view, because it is taken from above. So this is the part that is taken or that is captured when we talk about our vertical aerial photograph. The second one is an oblique aerial photograph. Oblique simply means at an angle. Oblique, it simply means at an angle. It means at an angle. That's what oblique means. It means at an angle, which means this photograph as well is taken from a certain angle. We have got the one that is taken. Let me just try to use the red one. The one that is taken at high oblique, which is at 60 degrees. Okay. Then we have got another one that is taken at the low oblique, which is 30 degrees. So we have got vertical aerial photograph, which is taken at 90 degrees from the vertical, which means from the top, which is more like a top view. You can see what is being captured is this area. Then you have got oblique aerial photograph. It means at an angle. That's what oblique means. It means we have got high oblique, then we have got low oblique. So at 60 degrees, that is your high oblique. And at 30 degrees, that is your low oblique. So this is the second type of aerial photograph. We call it the oblique aerial photograph. Oblique simply means at an angle, which means it is taken either at 60 degrees or at 30 degrees. 60 degrees, that's your high oblique aerial photograph, and 30 degrees, that is your low oblique aerial photograph. The difference between the two is with 60 degrees, you are able to see the horizon, which means we are looking at where the sky and earth meets. That's basically what you're talking about. So at 60, you are able to see your horizon, the background of your image. You are able to see that, but you cannot do that on a 30 degrees aerial photograph. Then the last one, aerial photograph that we have got the horizontal. I would just say H here. The horizontal, which means it is taken from the earth's surface. It is also known as terrestrial photograph. It is also known as terrestrial photograph. So when it comes to aerial photographs, we have got three types, like I've already highlighted. We have got the vertical aerial photographs, which is taken at 90 degrees from the vertical. You can see this is the part that is being captured. This is the part that is being captured. This is the part that is being captured from an aircraft or an airplane, an aircraft or an airplane. So this is the part that is being captured. That is your vertical aerial photograph. Then you have got an oblique. Oblique simply means at an angle. It means it can be higher oblique or lower oblique. So it can be higher oblique or lower oblique. Higher oblique is at 60 degrees and lower oblique is at 30 degrees. Then lastly, we have got what we call horizontal. We have got the horizontal, which means it is taken from the Earth's surface. It is also known as terrestrial photograph as well, because it is taken on the Earth's surface. So boys and girls, the type of aerial photographs that we have got your vertical aerial photograph, we have got your oblique aerial photograph, which is made up of the high oblique and the lower oblique. Then lastly, we have got what we call the horizontal aerial photograph. These are the three types of photographs that we have. I'm going to move on to orthophoto maps. The reason why I have joined the two is because our orthophoto is a combination of aerial photographs and the topographic map. I'll now move on to the orthophoto map.